Today's topic: top 6 nutrients to stop leg weakness in seniors. Fast. Welcome back, everyone. You're tired of feeling weak and unstable on your feet? Do you fear that one day you might fall and break a bone? You are not alone. As we age, our legs can become weaker due to various factors such as decreased muscle mass, reduced physical activity, and hormonal changes. However, did you know that certain nutrients can help strengthen your legs and improve your balance? That's right. By incorporating specific vitamins, minerals, and other compounds into your diet, you can support your leg health and reduce your risk of falls and injuries. So if you are a senior or you care for someone who is, then this video is for you. We will discuss the top 6 nutrients that can help stop leg weakness in its tracks and keep you on your feet and living life to the fullest.
Ow.
Don't forget to stay until the end, because we have a special bonus tip for you. Let's dive in. No. 1. Calcium. The first nutrient on our list is calcium, which is a mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining strong bones and teeth. Calcium is also essential for proper muscle function, including the muscles in your legs. As we age, our body's ability to absorb calcium decreases, which can lead to low calcium levels and subsequently weaker legs. However, by consuming foods rich in calcium, such as dairy products, leafy green vegetables, and fortified foods, you can help maintain adequate levels of this important mineral. 1 cup of plain yogurt, for example, contains approximately 450 milligrams of calcium, just 45% of the recommended daily intake for adults over the age of 50. It's important to note that getting enough calcium is particularly crucial for women after menopause due to the significant drop in estrogen levels, which can increase the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Additionally, people with conditions like celiac disease or inflammatory bowel disease may have difficulty absorbing calcium due to damage to their digestive system. In these cases, taking a calcium supplement may be necessary to prevent leg weakness and other health problems associated with low calcium levels. Number 2, vitamin D. Next up is vitamin D, which is a nutrient that our body produces when our skin is exposed to sunlight. Vitamin D is often referred to as the sunshine vitamin because of this. Vitamin D is essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing conditions like osteoporosis and rickets. It also plays a role in regulating muscle function, including the muscles in our legs. As we age, our skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. Additionally, many people over the age of 50 may not get enough sunlight due to factors like living in a colder climate, working indoors, or being less active outdoors. This can lead to vitamin D deficiency, which has been linked to increased risk of falls and fractures in older adults. According to the National Institutes of Health, adults over the age of 60 should aim for at least 600 IU of vitamin D per day. This can be obtained through a combination of sunlight exposure, diet, and supplements. For example, 10 minutes of sun exposure on the arms and legs twice a week can help the body produce sufficient amounts of vitamin D. In addition, fatty fish, like salmon and sardines, are excellent sources of vitamin D. For those who are unable to get enough vitamin D from their diet or sunlight, supplements can be used to maintain healthy leg muscles and prevent falls and fractures. Number 3, magnesium. Now let's talk about magnesium, which is another essential mineral that plays a key role in maintaining strong bones and healthy muscle function. Magnesium is involved in more than 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including the synthesis of proteins and nucleic acids, as well as the regulation of muscle contraction and relaxation. As we age, our body's ability to absorb magnesium decreases, leading to lower levels of this important mineral in our body. Low magnesium levels have been linked to increased risk of muscle weakness, cramps, and even osteoporosis. However, by consuming foods rich in magnesium such as spinach, almonds, and whole grains, you can help maintain adequate levels of this important mineral. A 1-ounce serving of almonds, for example, contains approximately 80 milligrams of magnesium, just 20% of the daily recommended intake for adults over the age of 50. It's important to note that alcohol consumption and certain medications such as diuretics can interfere with the body's ability to absorb magnesium. In these cases, taking a magnesium supplement may be necessary to prevent leg weakness and other health problems associated with low magnesium levels. Number 4, potassium. Up next is potassium, which is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining proper fluid balance and muscle function in the body. Potassium is particularly important for maintaining healthy nerve function, which affects muscle contractions in the legs. A study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that low potassium levels were associated with increased risk of falls in older adults. However, by consuming foods rich in potassium, such as bananas, sweet potatoes, and avocados, you can help maintain adequate levels of this important mineral and reduce your risk of falls and injuries. One medium-sized banana, for example, contains approximately 422 milligrams of potassium, which is 12% of the daily recommended intake for adults over the age of 50. It's also important to note that high levels of potassium in the body can help counterbalance the effects of salt and reduce blood pressure. This can be beneficial for older adults who are at increased risk of hypertension, which can cause problems like heart disease and stroke. Number 5. Protein. Now let's talk about protein, which is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining muscle mass and strength. As we age, our body's ability to synthesize and retain protein decreases, leading to a loss of muscle mass and weakness. This process is known as sarcopenia, and it can make everyday activities such as walking and climbing stairs more challenging. However, by consuming enough protein, you can help prevent sarcopenia and maintain strong, healthy leg muscles. The recommended daily intake for protein is 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight. This can be obtained through a variety of sources, including meat, poultry, fish, eggs, beans, and lentils. 1 cup of cooked chicken breast, for example, contains approximately 30 grams of protein. It's also important to note that older adults may require more protein than the general population to maintain muscle mass and prevent sarcopenia. Some studies have suggested that increasing protein intake to 1 to 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight may be beneficial for older adults. Additionally, regular weight-bearing exercise, such as walking, jogging, or weight training, can help build and maintain muscle mass and strength in the legs. Number 6. Omega-3 fatty acids. Last but not least, omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential fats that play a vital role in maintaining healthy joints and reducing inflammation in the body. Omega-3 fatty acids are found in fatty fish such as salmon and mackerel, as well as in walnuts and flax seeds. Consuming these foods regularly can help reduce joint pain and stiffness, which can improve mobility and balance. Omega-3 fatty acids have also been shown to improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of dementia. This can be beneficial for older adults who are at increased risk of cognitive decline. A study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids were associated with a lower risk of falls in older adults. The study suggests that omega-3 fatty acids may help improve balance and coordination, which can reduce the risk of falls and injuries. Before we reveal our special bonus tip, here's a quick summary of the top 6 nutrients that can help stop leg weakness in its tracks. Calcium and vitamin D are essential for strong bones and muscle function. Magnesium and potassium help maintain proper fluid balance and muscle contraction. Protein is crucial for preventing muscle loss and maintaining strength. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce joint pain and inflammation, improving mobility and balance. Now for our special bonus tip. It's important to note that in addition to these 6 nutrients, a person's overall diet and lifestyle can also play a significant role in preventing leg weakness and maintaining mobility and balance. A balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can provide the necessary nutrients to support leg health. Regular physical activities such as walking, swimming, or cycling can also help maintain muscle mass and strength. It's also important to avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, which can contribute to muscle weakness and balance problems. If you find this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Till next time, stay healthy and active, and keep moving to keep your legs strong and your body moving.